What if I told you a truck from 1978 could still steal the show from brand new SUVs at the gas station? Stick around, because this Ford F-150 camper isn't just old, it's legendary. Ladies and gentlemen, you know you're getting older when a truck from 1978 looks younger than you do. I mean, this Ford F-150 Custom has better paint than my neighbor Larry's 2018 sedan. And Larry still insists on waxing it every Sunday like it's a Ferrari. Spoiler alert, it's not. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Trust me, you'll want to stick around. We talk trucks, campers, and sometimes about my poor decisions involving duct tape and gasoline. Now, let's talk about this legend, the 1978 Ford F-150 Custom 4-speed with a camper. Painted in cream and teal, it's like a rolling retro milkshake. Under the hood, you've got a 300 cubic inch inline-six engine, about 4.9 liters for my metric friends. Back in the day, this powerhouse delivered 113 horsepower. I believe that doesn't sound like much compared to today's turbocharged monsters, but hey, it'll get you and your camper down Route 66, or at least to the next gas station. The transmission is a 4-speed manual. I tried one like this years ago, and let me tell you, downshifting from third to second felt like convincing a stubborn donkey to climb stairs. According to the seller, this one still puts up a fight in that department, so maybe pack extra patience along with your camping gear. Inside, it's black vinyl upholstery. Nothing fancy, but practical. The bench seat was reupholstered, so you won't fall into the springs like I did once in my buddy Tom's old pickup. It's got a Kenwood stereo, aftermarket speakers, and even a seat heater. I liked that most, because nothing says luxury like keeping your backside warm, while your truck heater sounds like it's chewing gravel. On the camper side, this rig is fully loaded for its time. A sleeping surface, storage cabinets, a heater, faucet, ceiling vent fan, and even a slide-out Alpacool cooler. Basically, it's a hotel room on wheels, minus the minibar and the maid service. I think it's perfect for someone who wants to escape into the woods without realizing halfway there that they forgot the beer. As for the exterior, it's got chrome fender trim, a brush guard, and a receiver hitch. The 15-inch chrome wheels wear open-range all-terrain tires that were mounted in March 2021. I believe this gives it a rugged vibe, though the corrosion around the doors and fender wells reminds you it's still a truck from the Carter administration. Brakes and suspension have seen some love. Shocks, springs, bushings, cables, calipers, rotors, and shoes were replaced or serviced. The parking brake doesn't work, but hey, who really uses that anyway? Oh right, people who live on hills. Now, price. Similar restored F-150s from this era go for anywhere between $18,000 and $25,000 USD, which is roughly 16,500 euros to 23,000 euros depending on condition and history. Considering the camper setup, I think this one could nudge toward the higher side, especially for collectors or retro camping fans. To sum up, you've got a classic Ford that's equal parts nostalgia and practicality. I liked the camper setup most of all. It feels like stepping back into a 70s road trip without the polyester shirts. And hey, if you want to support this channel for just $1, become a sponsor. That's less than what I spent on Larry's terrible gas station coffee last week. The sponsorship link is right there in the description under the video. Don't make me beg. My camper heater already does enough whining.